Okay guys, a quick one. Here, I will detail how to fix type 2 Siri not working. So basically, type 2 Siri works simply by pressing and holding the side button, and then this is going to wake Siri on your iPhone instead of saying, "Hey Siri." So once you press and hold the side button on your iPhone, type 2 Siri will pop, and whatever you want to ask, and just type it, and this is going to prompt Siri to respond. So here, I'm going to show you if you're trying to use type 2 Siri, but you discover that type 2 Siri is not working, then here's a fix for you. So if at the end of this, you find this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, the first thing you want to do is go ahead and click on the settings app on your iPhone. Then while on the settings page, you just need to scroll down. Click on accessibility. Then under accessibility, scroll down, keep scrolling until you get to Siri under general, and then click on that. Now, once you selected Siri under general, locate type 2 Siri and turn this on. You can see if type 2 Siri is not enabled, you need to go ahead and turn this on. Then you're gonna see when you press and hold the side button, Siri will allow you to type your requests rather than speaking them. So once you turn this on, just hit the back button. Now, when next you want to use type 2 Siri on your iPhone, all you just need to do is go ahead and press the side button, and you're gonna see type 2 Siri pops. Then go ahead and type whatever you want Siri to respond to. In your own case, say, let's say, I just want to say, what is the time? So once you type it, click on done. Then hang on. They're gonna see the type pops on your iPhone using type 2 Siri. You can also repeat this again by typing another thing. So just say, what is today's date? Then click on done. Then just need to hang on again. You're gonna see today's date is Monday, January 20, 2025. Then whatever you want to type here. So call my trio on speaker. So just say Siri should call my trio on speaker. Then click on done. Just hang on. You see that? So that is basically how to fix type 2 Siri not working on iPhone. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.